Morning, Joe Deary, Powerful Improvements, out here with Big Tony today. We got one of our biggest projects of the season, and I'm going to show you guys what's going on. Condo complex. It's like a 55 and over community, and there's all these duplex buildings in here. So they're 2 units per building. They're about 2,000, 2,500 square feet each. So these buildings wind up being, I don't know, 4,000 or 5,000 square feet. Some of them pretty good size. Decks in the back, things we got to climb on, and there's like, I don't know, 40 of these buildings maybe total, and we're washing about, no, there's maybe 25 of these buildings, and we're washing like 11 of these buildings in here today. So we're gonna get started. It's about 8:30 in the morning, and we've got some mist and rain happening just like yesterday, so that's going to allow me to move quickly because we're not going to have to worry about things drying so much. So here we go.
Okay, so here's a little bit of what we're dealing with at Brooklyn Commons. This is basically all the railing and porch areas that we have to get cleaned. So again, we're doing about 10 units here today. Some full unit, some just sides, some we have to actually do deck work and actually get off the ground. I just want to give you an idea kind of what we're up against here. A lot of green, a lot of mold, but this is all going to be sparkling when we're done. Should come out beautiful. Joe rolling along, getting a nice spray on, getting our application, letting it dwell. We already did the first section of the building over here to the right, so that's been dwelling. You can kind of already see at the peaks. Stuff's just melting off, so it's looking wonderful. We'll be back with you guys shortly. All right, so one of the things we just want to talk to you about here is that the siding on this building isn't vinyl. It's HardieBacker, which Hardie's a cement board product. That being said, it's actually a painted product. So you can see a few areas here where you can see where it'll have to be repainted in the future at some time. And you know what that's doing for us is that's just making us put on an application that's going to be a little less intrusive. You can't be, blowing on here with high pressure. You want to obviously apply a real good soap mix, but you have to do it without applying a ton of pressure because you can take some paint with you. You can see what Joe's spraying now. There's a little paint missing there. So just a little something different than your typical vinyl sided house. The Hardie material is a wonderful material. It just, like I said, it has to be repainted at some point. So when you're cleaning it, there's a little bit of extra care. I just wanted to throw that in for you guys. We'll be back shortly. All right, so we're moving along on this large project, Brooklyn Commons, Brooklyn, Connecticut. This is left side of first building. So this was an entire building, decks, gutter faces, basically entire house wash. From there, just give you an idea of what this place looks like. We're going to be moving along and we're going to be heading right up. Next unit here is going to be back of the house along with all the decks and the face of the gutters. And then we're going to move up to our third unit out of about 10 or 11 today. And we're going to do just the face of this greenhouse and the entire left side where it's quite a bit dirtier than the rest. So we'll keep you posted as we move along. Peace.
Hey, Tony and I are out here cranking. We have got 9 of our projects done out of 12, and what we've been doing, I thought I was gonna have to roll hoses up on every single one, but you can see I got Tony sitting on the tailgate holding a hose, and then I drive down the road and we drag all of this hose behind us in the road, and it's working out perfectly. We've been all the way around this circle. It goes all the way up over there, back down the other side. We started way the hell down there in the back corner. We've been dragging hose freaking all the way around here. So we got this unit's done. We got one more here. Then we got to get this rig turned around so we can do the same thing on the inside. But we're gonna let Tony take some video from the tailgate.
Here we go. Oh, this has been smooth as ice. Let's hope that now will not be the time that it'll change. We're not going as far this time, but we've done this as far as probably maybe 200 yards, 300 yards. And you can see it's worked really, really, really well. All right, that's it for now, folks.
So here we are out back on one of these buildings. They're pretty big. These buildings are good size. I'd say probably, I don't know, good 5,000 square feet each. 2 units. So, you know, figure 2,000, 2,500 each. Pretty good sized building. And we got to go up on these little patios, which is a pain. I'm sending Tony up there today. Make him do some of that agility work, parkour, so I don't have to do it. And these are cranking right along. Here's another good look at the facility. Again, this is where we started right here. First house we did this morning. This entire building, front and back, patios, everything. And then we dragged hose up the road to the next one, drug it up again and did like the 4th one up there. And then there's a road that goes up over there. And we drug it up and did all those houses and worked our way around the circle. And this is the last one here. Now we got to get our vehicle turned around so I can do the stuff in the center. And we'll be working on that here in just a minute. We've been running the snots out of this little machine today. Filling up my 3rd tank of gas on the day. This thing's been running almost non-stop. Big Tony up there again. These things are coming out fantastic. This is the clunkiest part of the whole job for us right here. Gotta get up there, come over here, get up on that one, so it really slows the process down. But other than that, these are just big shapes that are going very quick for us. We got this one, then we have that one to do, and we are gonna be done. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Look at this. Ridiculous weather we're having. It's like 65 degrees and perfect.
All right, last video of the day. We got this unit here, and then we're going down just to do the front of the unit to the left. Been out here since 8:30. It's about 5:15. As you can see, it's a beautiful day. You got the sun setting in the back. Absolutely beautiful. So long project, but very satisfying. All of these townhomes just came really, really, really clean. They all look beautiful. Did a lot of deck work, a lot of ladder work, but all in all, everything looks beautiful. So finishing this one up, and then we're gonna head down here, and we're gonna finish up that last unit, and we're gonna call it a day. All right, we'll be back in a few. All right, this is it. Last section, Joe's finishing the soap application. Started over on the left here, moving over to the right. So this is our final soap application for the day. Get a dwell on it for probably no more than 5 minutes, 6 minutes. And we'll do a rinse, and that'll be Brooklyn Commons. I think we did 10 buildings today. Some full, some, you know, some sides and backs, a lot of deck work, a lot of ladder work again, but it was a great day. A beautiful day to be able to work outside and earn a living. So until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Powerful improvements. Peace.